Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to create Wix banner. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first step in order for you to add your banner here is you need to determine what type of banner that you want to add here. Now, there's actually multiple ways of adding banners here. So the first way that you could actually try doing here is just basically just adding the image that you currently have. So if you want a static banner that showcase an image or any type of information that you want to do, what you could do is you just need to click on add section here, and you could go and just click on the section that you have here, click on change background, and you could go ahead and click on image and basically just upload the image that you want to use for this one. Like for example, let's go and click on upload image, click on upload for computer, and let's go and choose an image here. So for example, I have this banner here. Let's go and click on open. And once the banner has been uploaded, you could go ahead and just select that specific image. So for now, let's just wait for it to fully be uploaded. But let's go and select this one, click on change background, and that should update our current section here, which in this case, we now have a banner. But if you want to have the dynamic way of adding banners into your Wix website here, what you could try doing is you want to go ahead and click on the left section. We have add section here. Now from here, you could choose from a bunch of already existing templates that you have here. Like for example, maybe you want to add a welcome banner, so you may want to go to welcome category here. You also have the about section, team section, contact, promotion, services, and a lot more. Now obviously you could go ahead and select whatever you want here. Like for example, welcome. Let's go and select this one. And from here, like for example, the best thing about this one is you can change the background. So let's go and change the background for this one as an example. Click on image, and maybe you want to choose the previous image that we have. Let's go to site files here. Let's go and choose our image. Click on change background. Now, once you've done that, it should update the banner here. And the great thing about this one is you can add additional text, add buttons that may lead to another page here, just in case you want to redirect them. But yeah, so in this case, adding banners here in Wix is fairly easy. It's just you need to know the methods on how to create one and basically adding them into Wix website. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.